In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make profile photo in Affinity Photo. We'll start from opening your image, then refine the composition with a clean crop, and finish by adding just the right amount of sharpening so your profile picture looks crisp and professional. First, launch Affinity Photo. With the app open, look to the top menu bar and click File. This is your starting point for bringing images into your project and is where you'll access most common actions. Next, choose Open. Navigate to the photo you want to turn into a profile image and select it. Pick a well-lit, high-resolution shot with your face clearly visible and a background that doesn't compete for attention. Natural light and even skin tones make the edit smoother and the final result more flattering. With your image on screen, it's time to crop. Select the crop tool and frame your face so it's the natural focal point. For most platforms, a square crop works well, so set the aspect ratio to 1 if you want consistent results across sites. Keep your eyes around the upper third of the frame, leave a little headroom, and avoid cropping too tightly around the chin or hairline. Use the straightening handle if the horizon or background lines feel tilted. Now, move to the pixel persona at the top to enter pixel editing mode. Open the Filters menu, hover over Sharpen, and you'll see options designed to enhance clarity. Sharpening helps define edges, like eyelashes, hair, and clothing textures, so the image reads clearly even at small sizes. Choose Unsharp Mask and adjust it thoughtfully. Zoom to 100% for an accurate view. Increase amount to boost edge contrast. Set radius to control how wide the edge effect spreads, and use threshold to protect smoother areas like skin from becoming noisy. Subtlety is key here. Dial amount up until detail snaps into focus, then ease it back if you notice halos or crunchy textures. A small radius often looks more natural on portraits, and that's the process. Open, crop with intention, then sharpen with care for a clean, standout profile photo in Affinity Photo.